Printing on demand in Printify is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can print on demand on Printify and make sales without having any experience. So for that, you have to be at your browser, and I'm going to search for Printify. And I'll obviously go to this website, which is printify.com. Now here, you have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you have to click on My Store. And you need to make sure you own a website, which means you have a website in which you can sell your products. So after that, you have to, go to catalog, select any of the product that you want to design. You have to design any of the product according to you. Suppose I've designed these product, and after designing this product, if I scroll down, as you guys can see, I currently don't have any store connected to Printify. So you just need to, have your website or your store connected to Printify. Or you can also connect the Etsy as well. So after that, whenever someone buy the product, it will automatically, Printify will automatically print on demand and ship them the product, and you will get paid. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.